No more additional words for this legendary type of tank, Tiger 1. Today, I'm going to build this Tiger from Trumpeter. The most interesting thing about this kit is the Zimmer pieces. They are super friendly to those who don't want to homemake their Zimmers, and very flexible to deal with. Simply cut them down and glue them in place. But on the other hand, they are always criticized for being too flat and unified. It would be fine if you are not a lover of Zimmers. The turret and the hull have their casting texture. They are not perfect, but they are okay. I pare off a bit on the edges of the Zimmer to destroy its boring unifying. That's all for the PEs. The kit is not crazy about the amount of parts and PEs. I like that. I glue the metal barrels with PVA glue to buy myself more time to adjust the position. Replaced original tracks with 3D printing products. In conclusion, it's an economical and effective kit. Like I said, an easygoing Tiger. There's no need to emphasize the importance of applying metal primer on the PEs. If you want to avoid a sudden shiny flash on your model's coat. And again, a black and white process is my comfortable way to start painting. Even on plastic models, when I see the amount of wheels, I want to express my salute to the Tiger support unit. In terms of chipping effects, I follow a very basic procedure here. Firstly, apply sponge chipping, then hand brush some additional chipping details. The undercoat of the armor would be exposed where the zimmers were missing. The undercoat should be rust red or brown, I suppose. That's where we could add diversity to the model. Meanwhile, outline the edges of the fading zimmer. With waste TPEs, I built this spare track holder. A shelf for the storage, and this temporary random hooks on both sides of the chassis. I hang this wooden additional side armor on the Tiger. It could at least resist one round of 88 gun, according to theory. A black wash could pierce most of the details on the surface. This Tiger is not attached to a diorama very soon, so I didn't apply heavy mud and dust on it. Enamel-based material could be easily removed or adjusted by Tamiya X20. Normally, we use this character to create diversity in the model. Tapping a few X20 and pigments on the brush allows you to better attach the pigments to their positions. I use white oil paint to create a water flow effect, but beware of not overdoing it. The oil paint fades the color dramatically and it's hard to be completely removed. Voila, that's it. My first tiger. One more member of the zoo. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, forward, subs, or just watch the video. Any kind of interaction will be a great help on the channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.